Guys, Nick Mower, Exmark Supply Company. To have for you a 2017 Exmark E-Series 60-inch rear discharge deck. So this unit is in very good shape. It is a rear discharge. There's 516 hours. Does have a very nice Exmark suspension seat, folding ROPS. It is powered by a Kawasaki FX 751V. We did just service this unit. We did put all brand new mower blades on it. Went over it. It's a very good running, working zero turn. Guys, a new mower like that today is like 13 grand. It's unreal, but I think it's 13.5 for a rear discharge. But very good running, working mower. The purpose of the video today is we're going to walk you around it, show you all about it. We're going to run it around here, show you it does work the way it's supposed to. So you are going to see, again, it's powered by a Kawasaki V-twin gas engine. Again, it is going to be an FX 751V. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, oil leaks, anything like that. Mower itself, like I said, is in very good shape. The worst part on the whole mower, from it being a rear discharge, there's some paint loss areas there on the back of the deck. No, there's no rust or anything like that. Rust holes. I'm just being honest. A lot of people wouldn't even say anything. Up front's in beautiful shape. We'll show you underneath here. Help if I had to put the parking brake on. Deck is not welded or cracked, anything like that. Again, the actual model number of this is going to be an LZE 751 GKA60RA1. You can show them up there, landing a close-up of the dash. Again, rear discharge machine, really nice the way they mow. Especially got a lot of flower beds and stuff to run around. Anything like that you're trying to mow around, they're very, very nice. Guys, we'll fire it up. We're going to run it around, show it everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. This does have what is called a deck-assisted lift, which is very nice, works well. Deck's good and quiet. Hydros are excellent and strong. Again, guys, really good running, working mower. Price pretty reasonable in the market right now. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website. We take a ton of photos. This is what we do. We try to illustrate stuff the way it is supposed to. Not everybody does that, but we try to do our best every day. That's why we take time to service stuff also. So any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Exmark Supply Company. Have a great day.